Determine the integral of the following function. Okay. I don't know how to do this straight up. Is there a derivative of the outside is there a derivative of the inside equal to the outside? No, I don't see that, because the derivative of 4x is going to give me 4 x to the power 0, and I have an x to the power 1 here. This one might have to be by parts, so I'm going to have to choose something that's going to have to make, my u is going to have to make something simpler. Oops, not du, it's dx, bro. So I have to pick something that's going to get simpler. If I choose this as my u, when I take the derivative, I'm just going to get cosine. So it doesn't really get simpler. It stays the same level. There's no real benefit of going to that. But if I take the derivative of this thing, I will get 1, which will make this simpler. So I'm going to choose that. And I'm going to choose this as my dv. Remember, what we're using here is by parts. So the equation for by parts is the integral of u dv, which we've chosen, u dv, is equal to u times v minus integral of v du. Okay, it comes from the product rule. We can use this equation, and hopefully we've chosen it right, that our integral gets simpler. So we've chosen our parts, so let's put those in here. So we know u is equal to x, so therefore du by dx is equal to 1, and therefore what do I need? I need du. Du is equal to dx, great. V is equal to, oh no, dv, I don't know what v is yet. dv is equal to sine of 4x dx, okay? Let's integrate both sides here. The integral of 1 dv is equal to v, is equal to integral of sine. It's going to be cosine. It's going to be 1/4. And it's going to be a negative. So negative 1 over 4 cosine of 4x. Okay, let's just make sure the derivative of cosine is negative sine. Negative, negative makes positive. And then I have the 4 instead of cancel. Yes, so that's true. Great. We have all of our parts. So let's integrate by parts. Integral of y dx is equal to, okay, so what does the formula say? It says u times v, so x times v, which is going to be negative 1 over 4 cosine 4x, minus integral of v, minus again, so we're going to put a plus there, 1/4 cosine of 4x du, which is dx. Ah, look at this. It is simpler. The second integral is simpler. Okay, look at that. We got rid of it. We got rid of the x, so now it's just the integral of cosine. Congratulations. So it's going to be minus x over 4 cosine of 4x plus integral of cosine. Whew, I know it's going to be 1/4 here. Put the 1/4, I don't have to think about it. So integral of cosine is, I know it's the sine, if it's positive or negative. The derivative of sine gives me cosine, so it's positive. Yeah. So there it is. And I have to forget there's 1/4, there's another 4 here, so it's actually be times 4 down here, so we actually 16. And that's it, plus c. Right? So the derivative of sine is cosine. Yes, that's right. Yeah. So this is going to be equal to negative x over 4 cosine of 4x plus 1 over 16 sine of 4x plus c. Integral of y dx.